Welcome to my channel. Let's count from 1 to 10.
Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go!
We can count from 1 to 10. We can count from 1 to 10.
Ready?
Let's go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9, 10.
10! Yay! We did it!
We did it. We counted 10.
Let's do it again. 1,
1 giraffe.
2,
2 apples.
3,
3 balls.
4,
4 monkeys.
5,
5 tabers.
6,
6 cars.
7,
7 bananas.
8,
8 pigs.
9,
9 strawberries.
10.
10 balloons.
So we're going to do it one more time. We're going to count from 1 to 10 and just a little bit faster. Ready?
Let's go!
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
and